Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this interesting expression, which is 24 divided by 12 parentheses 1 plus 1. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have new in my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel. So we should all know about PEMDAS. Here P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So here parentheses have higher priority than other operation, and multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So firstly we can solve parentheses. So 24 divided by 12 into 2. So now we can solve 24 divided by 12, which is equal to 2. 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Student, this is our final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your answer. Thanks a lot.